Hi everyone, welcome to Device Doctor. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the cyan ink not printing on your Epson L6490. If your printer is missing ink colors, follow these simple steps to solve the issue and get your prints back to normal.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Let's get started and solve the printer issue. Watch the video carefully so you can fix it properly. Before we begin, let's do a nozzle check to make sure you can clearly see the missing color issue. Go to the printer screen and press the maintenance option. Now, click on the nozzle check option and perform the nozzle check. As you can see, our cyan color has a problem and is not printing correctly on the paper. Return to the printer screen where it says, check the printed pattern and select the closer result. You'll see two options. Select the incorrect one, which is yes. Now the print head cleaning option appears. Just press the start button to begin the cleaning process. The cleaning process takes about 3 minutes, so please be patient and wait. Now the nozzle check option appears again. Perform the nozzle check once more to see if the missing color issue is resolved. If it's still not fixed, do the head cleaning 2 to 3 more times. As you can see, the cyan color issue has been resolved. You can use this technique for all 4 ink colors in the printer. Until next time, goodbye.